Welcome back to Lana Decor. If your home is feeling a little heavy and tired as summer rolls in, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about simple, functional rustic decor ideas that will give your small farmhouse space a beautiful, breezy summer refresh without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. A galvanized metal pitcher filled with fresh sunflowers or black-eyed Susans instantly transforms your kitchen counter into a farmhouse summer scene. It costs almost nothing, takes 2 minutes to style, and brings that warm, lived-in charm that makes a small home feel so inviting. You don't need a contractor to get that classic shiplap look. Peel-in stick board and batten panels are a game changer for small living rooms, giving you that cozy farmhouse texture in just one afternoon without the mess or the big budget. An old wooden crate topped with a simple piece of glass makes a surprisingly stylish and functional coffee table. Tuck a small potted herb or a stack of vintage magazines inside, and you have a centerpiece that tells a story and works hard every single day. Swapping out heavy upholstery for breathable linen slipcovers is one of the easiest ways to give your living room a summer refresh. Soft cream or sage tones keep things light and airy, and the relaxed, slightly rumpled look of linen is perfectly at home in a farmhouse space. Mason jars wrapped in twine with a tea light nestled inside create the most beautiful warm glow on a summer evening dining table. This is the kind of simple, handmade touch that feels genuinely personal and costs less than a few dollars to put together. A weathered wooden ladder leaned casually against the wall is one of the most versatile pieces of farmhouse decor you can own. Drape a few lightweight cotton throws over the rungs, and you have a display that is both beautiful and completely practical on cool summer nights. Lining your kitchen windowsill with small terracotta pots of basil, rosemary, and mint is a decoration idea that actually gives back. It smells incredible, looks charming, and having fresh herbs within reach while you cook is one of those small daily pleasures that makes a home feel truly alive. A burlap table runner brings instant rustic warmth to any farmhouse dining table. Look for ones with simple embroidered daisy or wildflower details for a touch of femininity that balances the rougher texture of the fabric, and your table will look styled without feeling overdone. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood are the perfect canvas for farmhouse summer styling. Arrange a mix of ironstone pitchers, a few well-worn books, and one or two small succulents, and you have a display that feels collected over time rather than bought all at once. A simple wicker tray placed on an entryway table does double duty as decor and a functional catch-all for keys, sunglasses, and the day's mail. It keeps a small entryway tidy without looking sterile, and the natural texture adds a warm, welcoming note the moment you walk through the door. A handmade cotton macrame wall hanging in cream or warm white adds incredible texture to a blank wall without making a small room feel cluttered. It is one of those pieces that looks artisan and intentional, and it works beautifully in a farmhouse space because it feels rooted in craft and tradition. Displaying a collection of white and blue enamelware on open kitchen shelves is a brilliant farmhouse styling trick because everything you put up there is actually used. Mugs, bowls, and small pots arranged by size create a visual rhythm that is both organized and deeply charming. A trio of terracotta pots painted in a soft chalky white and planted with seasonal summer blooms makes for a stunning porch or windowsill arrangement. The matte finish gives them an aged, European farmhouse quality, and grouping 3 different sizes together creates that perfectly imperfect look we all love. A summer wreath made with cotton stems, dried wheat stalks, and eucalyptus brings a muted, organic palette to any interior door. It is softer and more subtle than a bright floral wreath, and that restraint is what makes it feel so sophisticated and genuinely farmhouse in spirit. A simple wooden sign with a hand-lettered phrase propped on a mantle or shelf adds personality and warmth to a small room. Words like "gather here" or "bloom where you are planted" resonate deeply because they speak to the values that most of us hold close, especially in the place we call home. An old window frame repurposed as a wall mirror is one of the most charming architectural accents you can bring into a small farmhouse room. It reflects light, adds visual depth, and carries with it a sense of age and character that no store-bought mirror can quite replicate. Swapping your sofa pillows into classic blue and cream grain sack pillow covers is a small change that makes a big impact. The stripe pattern is deeply rooted in American farmhouse history, and the sturdy cotton fabric feels casual and comfortable in a way that is absolutely perfect for summer living. A vintage wire egg basket filled with faux eggs and a little bit of green moss makes for the most charming rustic vignette on a kitchen island or console table. It is small, inexpensive, and completely unpretentious, which is exactly what gives it so much genuine farmhouse appeal. Replacing heavy curtains with soft linen panels is one of the most transformative things you can do in a small room for summer. The way natural light filters through linen fabric creates a warm, diffused glow that makes even the simplest farmhouse space feel bright, open, and absolutely beautiful. And there you have it, friends, 22 simple rustic decor ideas to give your home that fresh, functional farmhouse feel all summer long. From a galvanized pitcher on the counter to breezy linen curtains at the window, every small change adds up to a home that truly feels like yours. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment telling me which idea is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to Lana Decor so you never miss a new video.
See you next time.